AI isn't the future, it's the present. Right now, people just like you are using AI tools to build side hustles, land clients, and even launch full-time businesses. But here's the thing. Most people are only scratching the surface. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to make money with 5 powerful AI tools. And I promise these strategies aren't the generic stuff you've already heard. Welcome to Laptop Cashflow, and this is Nirmal. Here, we dive deep into AI, side hustles, and smart ways to build real online income. The biggest problem? Most people waste months testing tools and buying courses that don't actually work. I've been there too. I tested hundreds of so-called money-making tools and most were junk. But there were a few, just a handful, that actually worked. The ones that helped me start earning, grow consistently, and turn this into a real business. I've linked those exact resources in the description, so if you want to save yourself months of trial and error, check them out. Here, we dive deep into AI, side hustles, and smart ways to build real online income. Let's start with ChatGPT. Most people use it to write blogs, but here's the hidden opportunity: micro consulting. Businesses will pay for ready-made FAQ libraries, client email templates, or customer support scripts. You can use ChatGPT to create these in bulk, package them as ready-to-use solutions, and sell them on Fiverr or directly to small businesses. Next is Canva AI. Everyone knows it for social media posts, but here's a smarter move. Create digital product kits. Think resume templates, eBook designs, real estate flyers, or wedding invitations. You design once with Canva AI and then sell the files on Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market. These kits sell over and over while you sleep. Pure passive income. Now let's talk about Copy.ai. Instead of just writing ads, use it to build done-for-you launch packages for small businesses. For example, an email welcome sequence, social captions for 30 days, and a set of Facebook ad headlines. Bundle these, sell them for $300 to $500 per client, and let Copy.ai handle the heavy lifting. Neutral. Fourth is Pictory.ai. Yes, it makes videos, but here's the gold mine: repurposing service for coaches and course creators. You take their long Zoom calls or blog posts, feed them into Pictory, and generate dozens of short TikTok or YouTube scenes. Coaches love this because short-form content brings them leads. You charge them monthly, and Pictory does the editing. And finally, Jasper.ai. Most people use it for blogs, but here's the play: niche content sites for affiliate income. Use Jasper to pump out SEO-optimized articles around low-competition keywords, then monetize with affiliate links or ads. Even a small site with just 20 to 30 articles can bring in $200 to $500 a month semi-passively. So those are 5 AI tools and 5 lesser-known strategies to make money in 2025. ChatGPT for micro-consulting, Canva AI for digital product kits, Copy.ai for launch packages, Pictory.ai for repurposing, and Jasper.ai for niche sites. Remember, I've linked the exact resources that help me go from testing junk to building real income online. Check them out in the description to save yourself months of wasted effort. If you found this valuable, smash the like button, subscribe for more AI money hacks, and tell me in the comments, which of these strategies will you try first?